Welcome. Today we will discuss about how to recover permanently deleted files or folders from your laptop or PC by following these steps. First, open any browser on your laptop or PC. Type here Recuva Softonic. Recuva. Here, click on this first link and then click on this free download icon here. Click on this no thanks. Continue to download Recuva. Then click on this download icon here. When you click on it, your download will start. So our file has been downloaded. Double click on it. This message will pop up. Click install. Check this box here. I want to manually reboot data. Click finish, and your Recuva application is now here. Double click on it. Here you can choose the type of file you want to recover. If you want to recover pictures, click here. If you want to recover music files, so whatever type of files, videos, compressed files, emails, or all types of files you want to recover, you can click that accordingly. If I have this file here, this picture, and I will delete it permanently. So this is permanently deleted. How I will recover it by using the Recuva? I will click on the pictures, then click on next. Here I can choose the location from where I have deleted the picture. I can choose it by clicking browse here. So I have deleted it from the E drive. I will click E, then this new folder. I will click OK here. So if you are not sure from where your file was before, you can click on this I am not sure option, then click next. Here there are two ways to recover your files. Click here start to recover your file. If your file doesn't recover, then check this box, enable deep scan. It will take more time. It will deeply scan their drivers or folders wherever you had kept the file and recover it. So I will click this start here. So you can see I had deleted this picture. It has been recovered. Click on it here and then select recover. Here I have to place in another drive, not in the same drive where I had deleted it. I will click on this folder, then click OK, and now click OK. Here you can see this file has been recovered. If you have deleted a file, don't save anything in that folder or in that drive before recovering that file, because if you will store anything on the file on that drive, it will be difficult to recover. So this was all about how to recover permanently deleted files or folders. Thanks for watching.